After unveiling the first teaser for Buick's upcoming all-electric crossover coupe last week, General Motors has just officially revealed the all-new Buick Electra E4 in China. The automaker has revealed the first official image gallery and all the major highlights of the all-new Buick Electra E4, except for powertrain details. In fact, GM says the second member of Buick's Electra Zero Emissions family will stand out with its dynamic crossover coupe-style design, the brand's latest technological innovations and class-leading interior space. Aesthetically, the all-new Buick Electra E4 presents its own interpretation of Buick's new pure design language, presenting a low roofline and a fastback-like profile, as well as flowing lines giving the vehicle proportions that are both dynamic and elegant. The Electra E4's low stance begins at the front end, combining a large lower faux grille with a raked shark nose, and split headlamps with signature winged lighting. The distinctive front-end styling of the all-new Buick Electra E4 are complemented by the crossover coupe's sculpted silhouette, riding on the same 116.3-inch wheelbase as the Buick Electra E5, but with shorter overhangs and streamlined surfaces that give it plenty of presence. The rear is wide, accentuated by horizontal LED taillights with boomerang tips and a slanted window with dual spoilers. For its part, the Buick Electra E4's interior adopts the brand's latest design cues and technological features, including a floating center console that offers a feeling of lightness and spaciousness. Unlike the Electra E5's split cockpit, the new Electra E4's dashboard features a flat, ambient-lit horizontal line that runs the full width and splits it into two sections, with the Buick Virtual Cockpit System's curved 30-inch IMAX 6K display on top. The automaker says the Buick Electra E4's cabin offers segment-leading headroom up front, as well as good head and knee room for second-row passengers. In addition, the new EV features a massive panoramic roof that uses low-radiation glass with UV protection and other innovations such as dynamic seats with floating headrests, 121-color ambient lighting and plenty of connectivity options. The all-new Buick Electra E4 will officially launch on Monday, June 19 in China, where it arrives as the second all-electric vehicle based on Ultium battery and Ultium drive propulsion technology. The Electra E4 is expected to go on sale later this month as an exclusive vehicle for the Chinese market. As such, the Electra E4 will not be offered in North American countries.